Oh.
No, it's not.
Are we? Is it different? I'm doing like this.
It's not really a.
I know. What's the fourth step though? Did we just land?
No, it's
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're going that way.
Okay. Oh, this way. And then you know,
Yeah.
E.
So it's here.
Okay.
She's blocking. You're blocking Kayla.
Sorry.
Thank you.
We're not taping this on.
Yeah, we are right now. It's on filming right now. Just want to let you know. Hello. Hello.
Our battery.
That's not my fault. She said we're filming.
Okay. Oh! I forgot. Oh my God, that's what it was.
What?
2. That was it before. Okay. I messed up. In class, I did something different, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it that way.
Keep it.
So when you go here, right? You go 1 and 2. I did 1 and 2. Then we go. Do that. Add that on. So
Okay, so
what you're doing is from here. 1 and 2. 2. You go 2. Look that way. And then keep your body like that. I think. I don't know what's going on like that.
That's the fun part.
Okay, one more time, just that much. So here. There's a flex.
Is that flexed or pointed? You did it pointed the first time. It's flexed.
Yeah, keep it pointed.
Pointed. Okay.
One more time. Just this part. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Oh. Ooh, you're supposed to keep going timing. Wait, no. Hold 6, 7, and 8. So hold to count.
Oh, hold 6.
I think so, yeah. So here, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, hold 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Yeah, it makes it better. You guys good?